Very good morning to all of you students. Myself Dharmendra sir, and once again you're most welcome in DSS online English class. Students, as you know that the poem of the chapter the tsunami is going on, and I have completed the first stanza, and I have explained that what is the sense and what is the psychology behind the written of this or composing of this poem. Student, this poem has full of morality and full of psychological effect that it conveys that how the real picture of this earth is. The picture what we study about the geography, is it correct, or the picture which is seen in the variety of the people and the rituals and the real culture of the people. So student, this is very important that we have to give another point of view to observe the real figure of the globe. This globe had a vivid kinds of shape, size, culture, atmosphere and surroundings. But in spite of these things, we are all Indian. But what we have a certain found equality among us? No. Why? Because we have divided ourselves on the basis of the basis of creed, caste, custom, religion, and the hierarchy of the society. That's why we have divided ourselves, and we are the responsible for this also only. So student, in the first stanza, we have studied that what is the picture and what is the shape appears when we fly just above the 6,000 feet in the sky, and when we see the cities and the towns, it's just like a dots, and all the things just like the shrink in a feet, in a meter. So what happened the next we will discuss. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, and now here the poet want to express or want to cast our views on the height of 10,000 feet when we fly by the aeroplane. It was just clear why the country had cities where the river ran, and from these height we can observe that why the rivers are flowing in different direction, why the plants and forests are separated from each other, and how the mountains divided or fragmented the two cities, two towns, two states and two countries. And why the valleys are populated. And we can also observe that why the dense popularity is found around the valleys, because of this nature. The logic of geography, that land and water attracted man. Why the reason? Because there is an easy availability of the water, of the surface, of the lands and of the lap of the nature. This is the main reason. That's why the population gathered around the valleys. And now in modern days, we just running toward the cities, toward the town. We don't want to stay or live in the village or in the lap of nature. है ना स्टूडेंट? आज हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? हम लोग शहरों की ओर भाग रहे हैं. हम लोग गांव में तो रहना ही नहीं चाहते, हम लैप ऑफ द नेचर तो रहना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. Was clearly declinated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. And these things is appeared clearly when we just fly above the 10,000 feet from the sky by the jet, and we can absorb this. But student, this is only the seed. But what we have to understand, this is the main reason. This is the main reason that we have to understand that why our earth and our population or our society are divided on their creed, caste, custom, culture, and different types of ritual which is performing by the states and other places. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear that Earth was round. And when jet goes up to 6 miles high, then it is appeared that the real shape of the Earth is राउंड. जब हम 6 मील के ऊपर जाते हैं तब हमें लगता है कि जो अर्थ का रियल शेप है ना वो क्या है, राउंड है. एंड दैट इज हैड मोर सी देन लैंड. एंड इन दिस that is the had more than sea. And in this land the sea, the area of sea is greater than the land. You know that कि हमारे जो अर्थ है इस पे क्या है, इस पे वाटर, जो वाटर और सीज है उसने ज़्यादा एरिया को कवर कर रखा है than that of a land where the people used to live. But it was difficult to understand that men on the earth found causes hate each other. But student, this is the morality, that it is difficult to understand that why people hating to each other. ये समझना बहुत मुश्किल है कि अर्थ राउंड है और नेचर सबके लिए है, सब लोग इस अर्थ पे रहते हैं और सारी चीज़ों, सारी सोर्सेस को हम अच्छे से यूज़ करते हैं, बट हम एक दूसरे से नफरत क्यों करते हैं? दिस इज द मोरालिटी एंड द थीम ऑफ दिस पोएम. टू बिल्ड वॉल्स अक्रॉस द सिटीज एंड टू किल फ्रॉम दैट हाइट, इट वॉज नॉट क्लियर वाई. एंड पोएट वांट टू एक्सप्रेस दैट or want to ask to us that why people make walls to divide our society and kill the people. Why? This is the question, and this question is not clear to the author, to the poet. Why? Poet has observed that why the earth is round. When we see the earth just above the 6 miles, its shape look like a round, but why the earth is divided by the domestic walls? This is not clear, and he want to ask to you that you explain yourself that why this is things. Is this things is good? If good, then give your comment, and why this is occurred. If you are not agree this think that our earth shouldn't be divided by the domestic walls, then you should just write your comment and try to make central idea of this poem by using these things, and you will make a complete central idea. So student, I hope so that you have got the meaning and the psychology of the poet, why the poet has created or composed these things. So this is a very interesting poem, and with a great appeal of unity in our nation, and we should follow them. So student, try to observe this morality in your life and try to diminish the things which is spread in our society, and definitely you will get success if you try to do that. And if you have any problem, then you can call me or you can ask me by the WhatsApp. So student, now after this I will start the next chapter. Thank you.